Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and first of all, Happy New Year 2025. And here calendar templates for Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and some Happy New Year flair in same software like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. But these files are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to SheriSKPWT.com. Just one-time payment for lifetime access. When you purchase subscription, then you have access of my all file. Okay. 2025 calendar. Here PSD, APS, Canva link and AI file for Adobe Illustrator. Photoshop. You can customize and put your own logo or company brand. Change everything in Photoshop, in Adobe Illustrator, or here Canva link. Next, here design change. You can change everything in Photoshop. Same thing here. Here InDesign file and here Photoshop. All are PSD file. And here Dex calendar, you can put your own design. For example, I open this one in Adobe Photoshop. You see here you can put your own logo. I know you know how to change or how to customize or how you update, how to update. Okay, back. Same thing here. And here flair of New Year. I hope these files are useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.